Amazon best-selling Camco RhinoFLEX 10-foot RV Sower Hose Extension Kit. The product buying link in this video description. Camco's RhinoFLEX 10-foot RV Sower Hose Extension Kit with RhinoFLEX hose and swivel fittings is a ready-to-use extension kit made with the toughest hose you can buy. The sturdy polyolefin is reinforced with steel wire for an ultra-tough hose. It is also collapsible, so you only have to extend as much hose as you need. This kit features a bayonet fitting with 4 prongs for a more secure fit. The hose and permanent, no-leak fittings compress for storage, and you can store the hose in standard 4-inch square bumpers. RhinoFLEX 10-foot extension, with a durable hose and swiveling bayonet and lug-style fittings. Flexible and tough, the RhinoFLEX hose can bend and hold its shape. Only extend as much hose as you need, and don't worry about excess length. Bayonet-style swivel fittings. Fittings swivel for easy connection. 4-prong bayonets securely attached to any standard lug fitting.